Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Oaktree TV. I'm Dave Kemp and today I want to talk about a conference I attended last week called the Voice of Healthcare Summit. So the Voice of Healthcare Summit was a one-day event that took place at Harvard Medical School in Boston. It was really cool. It allowed for me to hear from a number of different medical professionals and industry experts around how smart assistants are being integrated into our medical system, into our healthcare system. And so I wrote a post on my blog that you can check out that kind of goes through all my takeaways from the show. But for you as the hearing healthcare professional, here's the main takeaway. So these smart assistant platforms are not yet HIPAA compliant, but they are in the process of becoming so. So Alexa, Google, Apple, these smart assistants are one day going to be HIPAA compliant, meaning that we can share personal and medical data to and from our doctors, and you can retrieve information that way, you can share information that way. And so why I think this is interesting, as I kind of alluded to last week in last week's Oaktree TV episode, all the major tech companies are currently developing hearables. And the big motivation behind that, in my opinion, is that they want to house their smart assistant directly in your ear. And so if you think about hearing aids, and if this all becomes integrated into hearing aids, which I believe it will, think about that in terms of the value proposition. So if you have not only all the great amplification benefits that you're providing to your patients, but you're also providing a home for Alexa that is HIPAA compliant, think about the possibilities there. Okay, so for example, if I'm 80 and I'm wearing a hearing aid that has Alexa built in, and I have a chronic condition where I take 5 different medications throughout the day. What this would allow for is for Alexa to prompt me throughout the day at each time that I need to take each medication, saying, have you taken medication X, have you taken medication Y, and being able to field any questions that I have around those medications. I might have questions about potential side effects. I might even be having side effects, where it would then be able to route me to the physician that I see so that I can communicate with them. So this is the idea here around the whole multi-purpose transformation of hearing aids, and this is one element that I believe will be really important, is smart assistant integration. I think that this will be a really valuable piece for a lot of your patients, particularly those that might be suffering from chronic conditions that could really use this type of tool in Alexa. So something that I'm going to keep an eye on and keep you informed on. So thanks a lot for watching.